Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with one of the very important opportunity from the Tata Steels Limited. So finally they are inviting the application for aspiring engineering program AEP 2026 batch, and location is Pan India. So just form has been started. So if you are the candidates from the BE, BTech, BSc engineering candidates and pass out from 2025 or 2026, means if you are finally a students, then you are eligible for this. Now the branch which are applicable for this. So if you are from ceramics, chemical, civil, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, IEM, mechanical, metallurgy, mineral, mining, then only you are eligible for this. So this hiring is not for computer science or IT students. Actually, I posted lots of important update related to CS students, and many opportunity are there from Just Pay and SBAC. So if you haven't applied for it, you can apply. So coming to this important hiring, so candidates who have completed 3-year diploma and directly joined second year of engineering are also eligible. Means if you have earlier done diploma and you have joined as full time for BE, BTech or BSc, then you are also eligible for this. And this is the minimum CGPA or percentage required for general candidates. Minimum 65% or 6.5 CGPA. PWD, you can go through it, and SC ST, that is minimum 60% or 6 CGPA, means you should have at least 6.5 CGPA for applying this role. Okay, age should not more than 32 year, and program detail. So you will be basically getting training first, and you will join as engineer trainee for duration of 1 year, and trainee will be subjected to evaluation on regular basis during the training period, and further you will be considered as full time employment as assistant manager IL6, मीन लेवल 6 पे आपको लोग आप अपॉइंट हो जाइएगा. ओके. Now main thing that they clearly mentioned that for applying this you should obtain the degree by 31st August 2026. Means at least provisional certificate or pass certificate you should have with pass marks. Otherwise you will be basically disqualified or you will be terminated, clearly mentioned. Okay, so if your university is giving that, then actually I will tell all of the candidates must apply, and most of the candidates will get the result by this date. So you should apply for this, and if you know any candidates, must share these important opportunity. I regularly post lots of important job updates, so you can subscribe us too. Talking a little bit more about that, so during the training you will get 30,000 per month for 1 year training, and post that you will get the salary up to 7.4 lakh per annum. So this is one of the wonderful opportunity, especially for core branches, क्योंकि core branch में hiring तो बहुत कम होता है, and salary package भी related to CSIT कम रहता है. So this is one of the wonderful opportunity, everyone should apply, and this is kind of government job, you can also say. Okay, and these are the benefit you will get, that is the hospitalization coverage and other coverage you will get. Talking a little bit more about that, so how can apply? So I will provide the apply link in the description, or just click there and apply that. Okay, I will also provide this PDF too, from where you can check all the eligibility criteria, do's and don't, and you can apply accordingly. Make sure to check all the important things before applying, like eligibility criteria and all things, because if you will apply directly, then you might get rejected. So you should be careful before applying. So online application open from 16th of Feb, means it has been open on 16th, and you can apply till second or third week of last date for submission of the form is 9th March 2026, and you can accept the call letter for online written test around second or third week of March. So whenever it will come, I will also provide update. No need to worry about that. But you should apply for this important opportunity, and they have clearly mentioned that you should not submit any hard copy. You have to just follow the procedure they are providing for the online application. Just go and apply that, and this is wonderful opportunity. Okay, and you should apply. That's the thing I want to tell. I regularly post lots of important job update, and recently Deloitte NLA result has been out. So if you have applied, they must check. And this is also a government hiring for BTech, that is SAIL is hiring. And if you have been selected for any interview and want to participate in our mock interview, then you can also participate. We provide you dedicated feedback and guidance for preparing for the real interview. Hope informative to you. कोई भी डाउट है, feel free to ask sir, comment here. I feel very happy to help you. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.